What's up guys, Luvme Hair. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a wig review and install of this beautiful unit right here from Luvme Hair. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so the wig comes in this beautiful purple box right here, and inside the box are some goodies that I will show to you right now. And the star of the show, of course, is this gorgeous wig. So this is the Luvme Hair Wet and Wavy Natural Side Part Wig. It has a 4x4 closure and it is in 14 inches. Now you just see me showing you guys the closure up close, as you can see. So the hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached for you, so this makes this an already super easy install and ridiculously beginner friendly, and we love that. Also, this particular unit comes with a side part that is already pre-parted for you, but of course you can change that if you want to. We have 2 combs at the side, 1 at the back, and of course an elastic band that will help to secure the wig even more. So now it's just time for me to go ahead and install the wig, and as I mentioned earlier, y'all, this wig is super simple to install. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut that lace off, and while I'm doing that, as you guys can see, I already have my edges out. So since this is a closure wig, I like to have my edges out so that, you know, if I don't know, the wind blows or something, my hair is already there so it doesn't look crazy. So you can do that as well, or you can just go ahead and tuck your edges back and make them out of the wig. I make them from the wig, whichever works for you, works fine. So now I'm just securing the straps on the back even more so that this is snug on my head, because this will be a glueless install, so I'm not using no glue, no anything, so we really need this to fit as tight as possible on our heads. So as y'all can see, this is the wig on my head. I am just propping it in a position that I like, and I know you guys see the wig cap peeking through. Don't worry, we're going to fix it. We're gonna get that together. Just give me a minute. But look at this hair though, guys. Look at the curls on this wig. It is so beautiful and effortless and wavy. Like, look at the back. That is so gorgeous. Oh my god, I am living for this. Now for that part, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer and just clean it up a bit, and this should work to ensure that the part and around the perimeter of the wig, or at least the perimeter of the closure of the wig, matches my skin perfectly. But yeah guys, this is basically it. Like, you can literally wear the wig like this and be out the door. Like, look at it. Like, we're done here. We're literally done here. Like, glueless, easy, protective. We love that. And just look at the body on this wig. And as you guys can see, it is completely glueless. I can put a rat tail comb under it. I can literally take it off my head and be done. It's like a 5-minute install. And as I said, you can wear it just like this, or if you want to, you can go ahead and put some mousse into the curls to just help define it a bit, if that's your choice. I'm just going to do it here to kind of show you guys what it would look like with a little bit of mousse in it. But this is, as y'all can see, definitely not even required because these curls are popping on their own. But just in case you want to, go ahead and add some mousse, and this is basically how the wig will turn out. And there you have it, guys. This is the wig with a little bit of mousse in it. As you can see, it is still as beautiful as it was before. Such an easy, ready to go wig with uncompromising quality. Like, y'all, get this hair, get it. Especially if you're one of those girlies that love to switch up your hair, this wig is perfect for you because it's so easy that it makes switching it up everything. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now if you're interested in this wig, please feel free to check the description box down below. I will have all the necessary information on this unit as well as a discount code for if you choose to purchase. So with that, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care.